These Scottish shortbread cookies are a classic and delicious treat in my home. And in this video, I'll be showing you a traditional recipe for Scottish shortbread cookies. In a bowl of a stand mixer, add softened butter and cream for 1 minute until it turns light. Once the butter has changed color slightly, gently add confectioner's sugar and beat until you have a light and fluffy consistency just like this. You also want to add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Next, gradually adding your flour and continue to mix until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. You don't have to overmix this. You don't want your cookies to come out tough and hard. Just when the dough has come together, you can stop mixing. Just turn it out into a lightly floured surface and knead for a few times until all the pieces are formed into a single ball. When you're done, use a rolling pin to roll out the dough to a rectangular shape. Line your baking pan with parchment paper and lift the dough into it. Using a measuring cup, press the dough to form the shape of the pan and shape the edges to fit nicely. You also want to make sure you tidy up the edges so they come out really beautiful at the end. The next step involves shaping the cookies into rectangles. So to do this, you will need a bench scraper or a ruler to help mark out the lines and keep them straight and perfect. You can prick the cookies with a fork to create decorative patterns. After that, freeze the cookies for about 15 minutes to help chill them up. Take them out of the freezer and bake in the preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You will know your shortbread cookies are done baking when they start to slightly turn brown at the bottom. Allow the cookies to cool down a bit for about 30 minutes before serving. Just take a look at these Scottish shortbread cookies. They are amazingly delicious and they turn out so well. Everyone in my house loved them, and I know you will love these too. These homemade Scottish shortbread cookies are buttery, crumbly, and also perfect with a cup of tea. And I hope you will give this a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time, I'd love to see you again. Bye!